to travel to Turkey for free. Welcome to my channel. Have you ever dreamed of visiting Turkey, exploring the stunning beaches of Antalya, the historic streets of Istanbul, or the magical hot air balloons of Cappadocia, but thought it was too expensive? What if I told you that you could travel to Turkey for free? Yes, you heard that right, free. In this video, I'll reveal proven strategies, loopholes, and legitimate ways to make your dream trip to Turkey a reality without spending a dime on flights, accommodation, or even food. Stick around because this is going to be life-changing. Number 1. Understanding free travel. What does it really mean? First, let's be real, nothing in life is 100% free. But when we say free travel, we mean covering your costs through smart strategies instead of paying out of pocket. This could mean earning rewards like airline miles or hotel points, exchanging skills, work for accommodation, leveraging promotions, contests, sponsorships, or bartering. It's not about scamming the system, it's about maximizing opportunities. The psychology behind free travel. Why do companies offer free flights or stays? Because they benefit too. Airlines want loyal customers, hotels need reviews, and hosts want cultural exchange. When you understand this, you can position yourself to win. The 3 levels of free travel. Not all free travel is equal. There are 3 levels. Fully free, rare but possible, no money spent at all, for example, winning a trip, volunteering with full sponsorship. Nearly free, most common, you cover small fees, for example, airport taxes, visa costs, but save 90% plus on major expenses. Dirt cheap, budget hacks, not free, but extremely low cost, for example, $100 for a week in Turkey. In this guide, we'll focus on levels 1 and 2, common misconceptions. Myth number 1, free travel is only for influencers or rich people. False. Anyone can do this with the right knowledge. Myth number 2, it's too complicated. Not if you follow our step-by-step plan. Legal and ethical considerations. Always play by the rules. No sneaking into flights or scamming hotels. We'll only discuss 100% legal methods that build your travel reputation, not ruin it. Number 2, how to get free flights to Turkey. Method 1, travel hacking with credit card points. Many airlines partner with credit card companies to offer massive sign-up bonuses. For example, Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles program. Sign up for a travel credit card with a big bonus, for example, 50,000 miles after spending $3,000 in 3 months. Star Alliance partners use points from airlines like Lufthansa or United to book flights to Turkey. Method 2, flight contests and error fares. Airlines and travel websites occasionally run giveaways or post mistake fares. Follow secret flying website, the flight deal blog, airlines social media pages. Turkish Airlines often does promotions. Method 3, volunteer or work on a flight. Some organizations need couriers to transport documents international. You fly for free in exchange for carrying a package. Check Air Courier Association. Freight traveling groups on Facebook. Number 3, free accommodation in Turkey. Option 1, house sitting. Websites like Trusted House Sisters connect travelers with homeowners who need their houses. Watch if you stay for free in exchange for taking care of pets or maintenance. Option 2, work exchange, volunteer for stay. Platforms like Workaway and Worldpackers let you trade skills, teaching, farming, hostel work for free room and board. Example, helping a hostel in Cappadocia 4 hours per day equal to free bed and breakfast. Option 3, couch surfing and hospitality networks. couchsurfing.com lets you stay with locals for free. It's about cultural exchanges. Be respectful and offer to cook or share stories. Number 4, free food and activities in Turkey. Free walking tour and cultural experiences. Istanbul and other cities offer free walking tour, tip-based. Also, check museum free days. Many have weekly free entry. Local festivals with free food samples like Ramadan iftar tents. Bartering skills for meals. Can you teach English, play music, or do social media. Many cafes or hostels trade meals for services. Just ask politely. Number 5. Putting it all together, a sample free trip plan. Step-by-step 14-day free Turkey itinerary. Let's break down exactly how you can spend 2 weeks in Turkey for almost nothing. Day 1 to 3, Istanbul free flight plus couch surfing. Flight, used 45,000 credit card points to book Turkish Airlines worth $800. Accommodation, stayed with a couch surfing host in Taksim free. Activities, free walking tour, visited free mosques. And ate at local markets. Budget, $5 day for street food. Day 4 to 7, Cappadocia work exchange plus bartering. Transport, overnight bus used points to cover cost. Accommodation, work away at a hostel for hours, day helping with reception equals free bed and breakfast. Hot air balloon, didn't pay $250. Instead, traded social media skills for a discounted ride. Day 8 to 14, Antalya house sitting plus free activities. Accommodation, house sat for a family by a trusted house sister's free villa with pool. Food, cooked at home plus joined a free traveler's potluck event. Beaches and ruins, all natural free attractions. Budget breakdown, how much you saved. Let's do the math. Normally, this trip would cost flights, $800. Hotels, $750, night X 14, etc. But with our free travel hacks, you only spent visa fee, $30. Local transport, $50. Troubleshooting, what if things go wrong? No plan is perfect. Here is how TOADAPT, flight canceled. Use airline compensation rules. EU261 covers Turkey. Host cancels last minute. Have backup options like last-minute couch surfing or cheap hostels. Ran out of food budget? Visit local mosque. Many offer free meals during Ramadan. Tip, combine multiple free methods. The real pros stack strategies. Example, US credit card points for flight. House sit for free lodging. Do a workaway that includes meals. Monetize your trip vlog, freelance to cover extras. Boom, you're not just traveling free, you're getting paid to travel. Long-term free travel, can use statements. Yes, digital nomads do this. Be Winterist visas 90-day stays possible. Finding long-term house sits. Teaching English online to fund expenses. One couple I know lived in Turkey for a year spending less than $1,000 total. See, traveling to Turkey for free isn't a fantasy, it's a strategy. Start today by signing up for a travel credit card, joining Workaway, or entering flight giveaways. If this video helped you, smash the like button. Subscribe and comment Turkey 205 if you're using these tips. Next week, I'll show you how to do this in Thailand. Stay tuned.